Alright, got the FMS SuperEZ. Will buzz the hog trap. And that's why I like this plane. You can just fly it in close, keep it slow. She hangs in the air pretty good. And all this is with no flaps. Touch and go, or bounce and go rather. Oh, there's a chopper. We're nowhere close to him though. Wow, that cam keeps slipping down. Ooh. You want to try it?
No, it's okay.
It flies like your Valiant.
No, it doesn't. My Valiant doesn't fly that low.
Well, that's the idiot at the stick, man.
Okay.
There's two schools of thought, you know. You fly up high, you get that three mistakes high for recovery. But if you fly slow and low, you ain't got that far to hit before you crash.
Yeah. You were talking about you crash, it's usually a major crash. And I'm thinking, well, he'll just yank the gear off with that one, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've had 3 of these. I gave the first one I was flying in the warehouse district, and it went over some trees, and then overhead, and I lost sight of it, and I was flying inverted, and I slammed into the concrete at full power, and I swear to you there was probably 30 pieces on the ground. So I just trashed that one out. Bought a second one, wrecked it, broke the wing on it, glued it back together, and gave that one to Preston when he first started flying. Then I bought this one. Now since then they've come out with another version of this. I think this is the version 2, and they're up to version 4 now. So they're I'm still waiting for them to put flaps and lights in it. If they did that, it would be an absolutely perfect plane. Is that somebody coming in for the quad section?
I don't know what they're doing. They're parked over the helicopter place.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I didn't want to overfly their area if they were getting out.
I'm thinking, is he really a member of the club?
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, he's got a big suitcase.
Yeah, then he's probably doing quads. We will stay out of his AO.
Yeah, it'll probably be 10 minutes before we're ready to fly. How's the rest of the week look for flying?
Huh?
How does the rest of the week look for flying?
Oh no, this is my one kitchen pass day.
Oh no, really?
Yeah, I looked at the weather. It don't look like it's going to be favorable anyway.
I didn't look. You said it looked good, and I thought, okay.
Yeah, today was the one day this week that looked like it was under 10 mile an hour. Of course, you know, like they change that daily. You know what I mean?
I'm sorry, what was that?
So they change that wind forecast daily, it seems like, around here.
Yeah.
Anybody on the field?
No.
I'm going to do a cross field landing then.
Okay. No, they're putting it together over there.
All right, FMS SuperEZ, best plane out there.